Welcome to HENDO'S Kitchen. Today we are going to be making New Mexican Sopapillas. Sopapillas are a puffed up fried bread that is traditionally eaten with honey or honey butter as a dessert. They can also be stuffed with meat and smothered with chili. So now we're going to start off with our dry ingredients. 2 cups of flour, then 2 teaspoons of baking powder, followed by a dash of salt, and we're going to mix this all together. Now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of lard for about 5 minutes until when you press the dough together, it'll keep its shape, but it also crumbles apart. Now we're ready to add our warm water. You want to add a little bit at a time until your dough comes together. Now you're going to deep fry at medium-high heat. When it puffs up, flip it over and fry it until it's golden brown.